juice has a cooling effect on your body and most importantly, it helps for weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. It helps for weight loss, cleanses the whole body, improves your digestion, prevents anemia, and improves your immune function. Let's make some sugarcane juice without sugarcane. Let's check out. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. Jaggery, sugarcane juice, sugarcane, jaggery, jaggery, sugarcane. Ultimately, it's all from the same origin. Do you know jaggery is packed with nutrients and is also one of the superfoods? But fresh sugarcane is not available throughout the year, right? So today I am going to use jaggery as a substitute which is made from sugarcane juice. Here I have used a block of organic jaggery. You may use organic jaggery powder as well. Few fresh mint leaves. Black salt as per taste. Black salt is mandatory for this recipe. You may add some chaat masala as well, but it's optional. Cumin seeds powder. 1 whole lemon juice or 2 lemon juice, it depends on your taste buds. Some ice cubes or cold water and grind them all well until the jaggery is completely dissolved. I have added some water while grinding. This is how the juice looks. Pour the juice from height to create the froth like the original sugarcane juice. Check for the salt and lemon taste as per your taste buds. Serve immediately or store it in the refrigerator till ready to be served. Transfer the jaggery juice to a serving glass with some ice cubes and top with mint leaves and lemon slices. Enjoy this sugarcane juice, akka jaggery juice, akka good ka sharbat throughout the year and lose your weight. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this recipe. Stay connected until I come up with another interesting recipe. Happy cooking!